Hello everyone. Today we will present our project titled RTORE Digital Financial Web Application with code PBL TRPL 101 AM2. First, let me introduce my team. Myself, Tino, and followed by Danudenta Arhab Sakif and Sandi Ariski. And the next three members are Echa Anazaki, Ayudhya Permata Pabatia, and Frista Riris Anessa Tambunan. In our team, each member had a specific role to support the development process. The first one is myself as the team leader, system analyst, and backend developer. My contribution is lead the team, analyze system requirements, and develop server-side functions. And next is Danudenta Arhab Sakif as database designer and backend developer. His contribute with created the use case diagram, ER diagram, and designed the structure of the database. And next is Sandi Ariski as UI UX designer, and his contribution is designed the user interface, help write the report, and help write the RPP. And the next three members are Echa Anazaki as the UI UX and front end developer. Her contribution are help design the UI UX, assist the front end developer, help write the report, and create the presentation file. Next is Ayudhya Permata Pabatia as QX engineer and tester. Her contribution is conducted the testing and contributed the writing the SRS document. And last is Frista Riris Anessa Tambunan as the front end developer. Her contribution is develop the entire front end and contribute to writing the SRS document. And next topic will be continued by Echa Anazaki.
I'm Echa Anazaki. So the entire digital financial web application is a base platform designed to simplify a financial media for neighborhood organization. It allows administration for record income and expense, and manage community fees and store member data. Nah, overall, it helps improve communication efficiency and trust between administrator and residents through the financial management.
Hi everyone, my name is Ayudhya. Now I will explain the functional requirement of our system. The features of our application are divided into main feature and additional feature. The main feature include the core function of the system, such as user authentication, input and monitoring of routine fees, checking payment status, recording expenses, generating monthly or annual report, and displaying financial graphs. Then the additional feature complement the main ones. This include the resident and management, uploading proof of payment, verifying transaction, viewing payment history, and support multi-role user such as treasurer, RT leader, and resident.
Hello everyone, I am Sandi Rizky and I will explain the non-functional requirement. This defines how the system performs. First, the system must be reliable, available 24 hours a day. It's also portable, meaning it can be accessed from any browser. The usability aspect ensures the interface is simple for all user data, even those unfamiliar with IT. Finally, we emphasize security by encrypting password and protecting all user data.
Next is the use case diagram. The use case diagram shows the illustration between interaction of the users and the system. The three main actors is RT RW, treasurers, and the resident. The diagram illustrates each actor perform the key tasks such as the managing resident data, handling the financial report, also verifying payment and generating the report, and others like managing the fees, the income and expense. It helps illustrate how the user's interaction with the system workflow.
Good night, everyone. My name is Danu. Today, I will presentation about our ER diagram of our database. So yeah, this entity ER diagram show all of related entity each other. So yeah, this is include of fees, user, income, expense, and category. So yeah, each table is connected by key relationship to make sure the data is consistent and integrity. So yeah, this design to allow of data management is more efficient, and after that is data management more accurate and make the report for generation is more accurately. So yeah, the what I mean report generation is like a report of per monthly, per 6 month, and per year to date or 5 year and year to date. Okay.
Okay, now let's move on into the implementation demo. Hello, I'm Frisa as front-end developer, and I'll show you the interface demo of our web application. Okay, the system interface has several pages such as login page, dashboard, resident management, payment verification, and report page. So I will explain you one by one our project. Okay, this is the login page. Example, we are as admin. So we add our username and password and login. Nah, and then this is the alert and this is the dashboard page. In the dashboard page as admin, there are the bar graphic and line graphic, and also there is a names of people who has payment and to waiting to verification to admin verification. Okay, if we want to resident management, okay, in this page there are resident management such as Budi Santoso. So if we want to add the new member or the new people, we click the button, and there is we can add. Why? Because we are as admin, we can add, we can manipulation, we can edit, and also we can delete. Nah, there is we can add the new member or new people. Okay, there is a category payment category. Okay, in the payment category, the same with the resident management page. We can see, we can edit, we can delete. Okay, we can add the category too. In the payment or run routine, the same with the data resident management too. So I will not explain too, right? Go to verification payment. In the verification payment, we can see that there is a name of people who has payment but not verification yet by admin, such as Budi Santoso or Mr. Budi has payment, but she has not verification of admin yet. But in Mr. Ahmad Yani, she has, because yeah, we can see the detail of payment verification. Actually, we can see the result. Okay, and we can escape or not or cancel if it doesn't do our requirements. Okay, I think that's all to explain our interface demo, our web application. Thank you. If I've made any mistakes, and I say sorry.
Okay, that's all our presentation from ETRW Digital Financial Web Application Projects. Thank you and goodbye. See you next time.
See you next time.